So we're developing our GC and GCMS technology based on our customer needs, the pain points that they're dealing with in their laboratories, and we're always trying to advance the innovations and give them the tools that they need. In the area of environmental contaminants, we're being challenged with getting to lower levels of detection, higher sample capacities, more efficient and more productive ways of operating in the lab. So we have been looking at making instrumentation that uses less power, takes less bench space in the lab, overall uses less resources, and giving those to our customers in this segment so that they are able to achieve higher levels of detection with more sensitive instruments, being able to consume less power, less resources with instruments that take less lab infrastructure and cost to run, and then have a footprint and bench space so they drop into their infrastructure without them having to expand the physical capacity of their operations. And so in total, we're giving them the tools that they need to address the emerging needs of new contaminants and things in the environmental segment, and helping them achieve their sustainability goals. Yes, so in some of the market areas we have noticed some trends, or I say increasing trends, of additional monitoring or testing. An example of that that's emerging is in the area of air quality testing or air testing, particularly around PFAS. Now, PFAS in air, or volatile PFAS as we call it, because it's not just air, it could be off-gassing of materials, for example. It's from a regulatory standpoint not as far along as, say, for example, drinking water, which has government regulations around the levels, but air is around the corner. So there are regulatory bodies that are looking at the compounds of interest that they want to test and what the levels will be. So in parallel, in monitoring what's going on in the regulatory side, we're working with our customers, we're working on the technology so that we're going to have testing solutions that will be available when those regulations come to maturity, like they have on the water side of things. So that's one example of an emerging area that we're staying on top of and working towards.